Yes. Thank you very much. As my colleagues to come ukumbele kidogo, we take this opportunity to first of all congratulate CMA for this award and for finding the right man for the award.
They should come up with the right woman.
Because I can tell you that as our team leader, we are very, very proud of him and what he has done for this country. When you're talking about peace, this country has known instability before, and during some of our darkest days, particularly in 2007, 2008, that is when he came out and stood by President Mwai Kibaki, stabilized this country. So the peace we celebrated, then after that, he had something to do with it, and this country remembers him for that. And not just in this country, beyond our borders, in the Sudan, South Sudan, the role he has played in stabilizing the region, in bringing peace in the region. You couldn't have found a better person for this award, and we want to thank you for that, but also to congratulate His Excellency for his outstanding role as a mediator, as a peacemaker. Has always fought to bring the country together for all Kenyans to live in peace and harmony. So we are very proud today to celebrate this award. And the Bible says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Your Excellency, congratulations, and we are very proud of you. But also to say what Bishop Desmond Tutu once said, that without justice there can be no peace. Without peace there can be no development. I want to share the sentiments of His Excellency that indeed, even as we move forward, we must ensure that we do justice to ensure that our country is peaceful. What happened last year and this year in terms of the demonstrations against the Finance Bill 2023 and the Finance Bill 2024, and the Gen Zs who were killed, their families are still crying out for justice. Perhaps today we might see the country is calm and think that our country is peaceful. Indeed, it might just be the calm before the storm, especially with the plans of this broad-based government to bring back the 2024 Finance Bill. We did tell them last year that please drop this finance bill. They did not listen to us, and it costed lives. 75 died last year, over 60 died this year, and bringing back this finance bill is like bringing back the storm that caused bloodshed. And as we celebrate this peacemaker, we want to reach out to the broad-based government to tell them not to provoke the wrath of the Gen Zs to come back to the streets, but also to do justice for the families who lost their dear ones. And that we will fight for even as we celebrate this award. Perhaps maybe I would invite Governor Waitito and one or two colleagues to also congratulate our leader, but to assure the country that even as we move forward, we will continue fighting for peace and for justice for our fellow Kenyans. As we invite the next speaker, who is also one of the nominees for the award, we congratulate His Excellency, and if I want to congratulate you also, to congratulate Okiya Omtatah, Senator wangu kutoka Busia, aliyeleta matata sana kwa Finance Bill 2023 and 2024. We also congratulate Professor Lumumba, mwalimu wangu. They were also found to be worthy of this award. And as Anifa comes, just to assure you and all Gen Zs that this team chose not to join the broad-based government of Zakayo. This team stands with you in seeking justice for your colleagues, over 60 who lost their lives. This team will stand with you as Zakayo seeks to bring back the infamous 2024 Finance Bill. We will be with you. please come and say a word. And congratulations once more on our behalf. Thank you.